So this is my pantry, a complete and utter mess. We moved during COVID and everything going on, and we just kind of stocked up food, and it has just been a complete mess. I already bought a few little things online, these two right here, so I'm gonna get to work and let's see what we can do with this situation. I got my Pinterest boards. I'm ready to make this look good because this is not it. This ain't it. All right, so let's go to HomeGoods. I have not been to any HomeGoods here yet, so I'm really excited. I went to Target yesterday just to browse, and they literally had nothing at all. And I was like, hey, like, are you guys just restocking? And they're like, well, we've just been wiped out. I have a game plan. I wrote down some things that I definitely need storage for, like baskets and things. I would rather just be able to go pick it up than do online and wait, because I want to get a lot of this done today. So let's go to HomeGoods. Hopefully we'll find something. I don't know if I'm gonna bring my vlog camera in or not. It is 3 o'clock right now, so hopefully I don't hit too much traffic, but let's do it. I'm so excited to go to HomeGoods. You have no idea. So I found these little bowls. I was thinking maybe I could put like fruit and stuff in here. I got some king pillows for my bed. And then I also got these wicker baskets. I figure I could probably use this for like toilet paper, paper towels. And then I also got this wicker basket, and I found these really cute vases that are like a matte vase. So this is all trash, and this is about as far as I got today. It might not look any different, but it is different. I put the little can organizer here for now. And then these two little guys from HomeGoods, I put potatoes and oranges. Then I went ahead and organized the cereal for now and kind of made like a breakfast area. I would like to have these like in little containers, but I don't have enough. I organized my coffee right here with which bean it is behind it, because they're 3 different beans. Did my teas, so we're getting there. It still looks crazy, but we can do it. Also, I use these little baskets for like medicine and stuff right here. Let's go to HomeGoods, day 2. This is my second HomeGoods trip. I'm trying a new HomeGoods today. I'm breaking out so bad today. I don't know why. I woke up like it hurt so bad. But I decided to come to HomeGoods. It's Saturday today. Got some coffee. And I just want to see what else they have for pantry organization. I forgot my vlog camera because I didn't think I was going to vlog, but I'm in Brentwood today, and this one looks pretty good. It had really good reviews. There's one other HomeGoods I want to try, but I have high hopes for this one. Shout out to Dominique Cosmetics for this super cute mask. I've been using this at the gym and everywhere. It's silk, it's soft. All right, we're ready to go in. Wish me luck. We hit the jackpot today. I found so much cute stuff. Look at how cute this is. I found this little black basket, brown baskets. I got this really cool wood piece that looks like Restoration Hardware. I also found these little gray containers with the wood tops. They have more expensive ones at the Container Store that I found on Pinterest, and they're sold out. They're really expensive. So I found a ton of these. I found smaller ones, bigger ones in gray and in black. They're so similar to the Container Store ones. And I'm so happy that I found these, because I originally had one of these and couldn't find dupes online anywhere. Got these cute little containers with the wood tops. I think we are gonna make so much progress today with the pantry. I cannot wait to show you guys. I got a ton of stuff for the pantry, but then also stuff for the house. So, oh, that's my rice. So, okay, we get it. Also, found this for Molly because yellow's her favorite color and ducks are her favorite. Can you help me, babe? It's a doggy. That's a doggy. That's for you. You have to share with Aspen, though. Look at doggy. Doggy. Oh, doggy. Get that doggy. You take the tag off? Yeah. Get that doggy. Look. Would you share the doggy? Get the doggy. Aspen, you can play. She's probably gonna hump it because she loves humping the doggy. Good girl. Rafael made salmon. Looks so good. So I'm gonna eat, since I haven't eaten, some salmon and rice right now. Yum. Okay, so this is what my pantry looks like right now. I just wanna like move some things around. It's getting there. It's just still a little bit cluttered. Like, I'm just not completely happy with it. So let's just move some things around. I picked up some more of these little things from HomeGoods because they were really cute. They had a few left. a little better. I just got so many baskets, but I need the storage. Well, that is a fail. Are we ready for my pantry transformation? Because I did such a good job. I'm not an organized person. I'm not an organizer in general. I've never done a pantry before. I'm learning, I'm trying. Shout out to Pinterest for helping me, but this was not easy. May I proudly introduce my new and improved pantry. Starting on the bottom, I have toilet paper and paper towels. I actually saw this on Pinterest. A lot of my inspo came from Pinterest, and I just thought it looked really cute and it was a clean way to store everything. And then on the left, you know, I got my Waterloo and a few Cokes in there. Raphael's gonna been on a Coke kick. So we have some Coca-Colas and we have my strawberry, coconut, and watermelon Waterloo, my favorite sparkling water. Over here we have this little can rack that I got from Amazon that I assembled, and it actually was really easy to assemble. I think it's really cute. I kind of want to get another one for like baking cans, like condensed milk and cream and all of that. Above all of the cans, I have the girls' little treat jar. I also got this from HomeGoods, I believe. And then next to it, I just have some tortillas and spicy snacks. And then next to that, I have my hot sauces and pasta sauces and just like random little sauces in here. Moving up on this shelf, I have this really cute potato bowl. I got this from HomeGoods. I just thought it was really cute and really like warm, and I just really like wood textures. And I just have 2 sparkling waters here. I'm actually about to go put them in the fridge, but I found these at a grocery store I went to today. They're cucumber and elderflower. They looked really pretty and I just wanted to try them, so I got those. Next to it, I have rice packs and bread. I just got some fresh bread today. And right next to it, I got my ramen. I know ramen isn't that good for you, but I love me some ramen. These little containers made me so happy. They're one of my favorite finds. I found them at HomeGoods, and what made me so happy is that they're almost identical to the ones from the Container Store that are sold out. In here, I put lots of protein bars and snacks and breakfast items. I just stored these full of food items so that it looks really clean from the outside, but it's packed full with food on the inside. I found this really pretty fruit bowl also at HomeGoods. I just think it is so beautiful. I have oranges here. I just got some mandarins this morning. So the mandarins are gonna go in the fridge, but I just like to put my oranges and empty out my fruit in here. Sometimes we keep the oranges out for a little bit, but the mandarins I usually put in the fridge right away. Next to it, I have my coffee. I found these little jars on Amazon. I'll link everything that can be found online down in the description bar, but I thought these were perfect for coffee beans. I have my 3 favorite Phil's roasts in here. Next to it, I have a few containers with pasta, got some rice. I got these, I think, from Bed Bath & Beyond. I'll link similar ones if not down below. Right, moving up, I have 3 protein flavors. This is my favorite protein. I've been using it for years. The chocolate peanut butter is my all-time favorite, but I've also been really loving the banana and strawberry. They recently had a sale on bodybuilding.com, so I ended up getting 2 extra flavors because it was a really good deal. I try to have a protein shake at least once a day. I have this really cute, I think it's rosé. I honestly just got it because it was really pretty. I saw it at the grocery store today and I was like, this is beautiful. I don't know, I don't really drink, but I thought it was really pretty and looked really pretty in here, but I'll definitely try it eventually. The rest of the items on this shelf are all breakfast options. So I have a mix of oats, I have cornmeal, cream of wheat, and then I have cereal, which we honestly don't eat that much cereal anymore, but sometimes at night is like a fun snack. If you're really hungry, we had a busy day, didn't get to eat, sometimes we'll have some cereal. Got Captain Crunch, Honey Nut Cheerios, Peanut Butter Captain Crunch, and Fruity Pebbles. Here I have some of my favorite snacks. My current binge is hot flamin' Cheeto fries. These are way better than hot Cheetos, don't at me, but they are the best. And then I've also been really liking these little green pea snack crisps. I haven't tried this either yet, but I really liked the barbecue flavor, so I actually just picked these up to try. And then next to that, I have some chips and some, why am I just like blanking right now? Rice cakes, you know. Next to the oranges, I have some dried fruits and nuts. I have dried mangoes, some dried kiwi with sulfur, And then I have 2 different kinds of almonds. I have honey roasted almonds and then coconut lavender almonds. And then next to that I have this really cute like fruit bowl. This used to be out in my kitchen, but for now I have it in here because my kitchen I've tried to keep pretty minimal. So I got this little bowl, I think at Crate and Barrel. I'll link that as well down in the description bar. Moving on up. Up here, I just put in these little baskets. I have jellies, jams, honeys, almond butters, Nutella, everything like that. And next to it, I just put a bunch of mixes. So I have protein pancake mixes, I have muffin mixes, cornbread, all of that good stuff. Up here, I have just baking stuff like chocolate chip cookies, brownies. My mom literally brought me all this stuff when she came to visit. We haven't made it yet, so I kind of save them for when she comes because she loves to bake those kind of things. And then next to it, I have some more snacks. I have more dried mangoes. I have some chocolate chip cookies behind them. These are the best. The coconut ones are my favorite, but we just got the chocolate chip ones. I got these little baskets also on Amazon, and I use these to fill with different types of teas. I have chamomile teas, mango ginger teas, all kinds of teas. On the last high shelf, this is all vitamins and medicines. So if you're not feeling well, or if you want to take some vitamins, I put all these up here because they're not really pretty to look at. They're just filled with medicine. So I put those up there. So that way from down below, it looks more aesthetic. I did end up finding some more of those little bins up here from HomeGoods. They just don't have the holes in them, but they have the wood tops. I ended up putting a bunch of baking things and stuff in here that I don't use as often. Also have pancake mixes and stuff up here. I do have so much open space in the pantry in the corners, and it's kind of bugging me, but I feel like if I pack the pantry super full, it's not gonna look as clean. So I'm gonna kind of play around with that, how I can utilize the space in here. I hope you guys enjoyed this little organization video. Again, I'll link everything down in the description bar that I can find online. I'm not the best at organizing, but I'm learning. I've never organized a pantry before. I never had a pantry before. So this was really exciting, but also really hard to do. It definitely took me days and a lot of hours, even though it seemed really fast probably in this video. If you guys want more home decor, home organization type of videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and I will do a home decor haul. I just got some really cute pieces for the house from Target, Amazon, HomeGoods, some of my favorite more affordable options. I found a lot of really cute stuff. So if you guys want a video like that, thumbs up this one and let me know. And then I will film that for you guys and show you and kind of like let you decorate the house with me because it's definitely coming together. So thumbs up the video if you guys want something like that. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. Hit it down below. I'm exhausted. It's like 95 degrees today, maybe hotter. It's been so hot. I ran so many errands today and now I'm exhausted, but I feel accomplished. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys.